Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Italian ebook before it's gone.
8, 5, 3. What do these words mean? Stick around. In this quick lesson, you learn Italian number vocabulary and how to count to 10. Before we start, do you know how Italian people count with their fingers? It's not like this. No. Keep watching for the answer at the end. 0, 0, 0, 0. Summer in Italy, alone, with 0 friends. Why? Because all the friends are on vacation. Too sad. 0 amici, 0 amici. Susan comments on the weather before heading out with Lina. Ci sono 0 gradi e sta nevicando. Allora mi metto il cappotto più caldo che ho. 1. 1. 1. 1. Number 1 in Italian is special. Una or un or uno. So pay attention to the noun gender and make the right choice. For example, coffee, un caffè, pizza, una pizza, champagne, uno spumante. Steve and Oscar prepare to pay at the supermarket. Oscar, hai qualche euro? Solo uno. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2 like me and you. 2 canzoni d'amore. Susan and Lina talk about their favorite number. Il 2 è il mio numero preferito. Capisco. Il mio è il 7. 3. 3. 3. 3. Italian verbs and their free conjugation in are, ire. Mamma mia! Practice, practice, practice! Jack asks Steve if he can borrow a pen. Hai una penna? Sì, ne ho 3. Usa questa. 4. 4. 4. 4. Me and few friends at the bar in the night. What to say? We are only 4 cats. Siamo solo 4 gatti. Susan asks Lina for help while shopping for groceries. Ho intenzione di fare una torta. Per favore, prendi 4 mele. Certo, sceglierò le migliori. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5 and 100 together and we have one Fiat 500. Oh, Fiat 500, brum, 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 brum. La dolce vita, Fiat 500, 500. Oscar comments on some starfish while at the beach with Tom. Guarda le stelle marine, hanno 5 braccia e sono creature affascinanti. 6. 6. 6. 6. Love message. Talking like testings. Oh, one message for my dear Maria. Maria, You. 6, beautiful. Oh, sei bellissima. Steve asks Jack for the time. Che ore sono? Sono le 6. 7. 7. 7. 7. Oh, the 7 colors of the rainbow. Wow, it's so beautiful, don't you think? Guarda i 7 colori dell'arcobaleno. Steve asks Oscar about the number of weeks in a year. Ci sono 7 giorni in una settimana, ma quante settimane ci sono in un anno? Ci sono circa 52 settimane. 8. 8. 8. 8. Working 8 days in a week and feel felice. Hey guys, I'm not really Italian. No. Jack and Steve talk about lucky numbers over dinner. In alcune culture l'8 è un numero fortunato. Interessante, mi chiedo perché. 9. 9. 9. 9. Felice, help me. How can I remember very well the 9 preposition, Italian prepositions? Le 9 preposizioni? Try to sing in them, like this. Di ada incon super trafra, yay! Di ada incon super trafra, yay! Susan and Lena reminisce about their friend's wedding. Quando si è sposata? Si è sposata 9 anni fa. 10. 10. 10. 10. Yes? Yes? Yes. Oh, 10, like the grade you deserve, my dear. 10. Bravo. Bravo. Oscar informs Tom on his flight's arrival time. Il nostro volo è in orario. L'aereo atterrerà alle 10. Perfetto, verrò a prenderti. Let's review. You'll see the words in English and your job is to say the words in Italian. Ready? Do you remember how to say 0? 0. 0. And how to say 1? 1. 1. And how about 2? 2. 2. Do you remember how to say 3? 3. 3. And how to say 4? 4. 4. Let's try 5. 5. 5. What about 6? 6. 6. Now, let's see if you remember how to say 7. 7. 7. What about 8? 8. 8. Do you remember how to say 9? 9. 9. And finally, do you remember how to say 10, 10, 10. Do you know how Italian people count with their fingers? I'll show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to practice these new words and phrases, and see you next time. Ciao!